Hey everybody, quick video here. We're going to make a key to this Ace brand deadbolt. I'm just doing it for fun here. The bolt failed on it, so the whole lock was replaced. But I figured I'd make a key just to practice with the Lishi. So we'll use the Lishi to pick and decode it, and then the HPC machine to cut a key. And we'll do it all on video here. So we got the Lishi inserted all the way in the lock. Do a little zooming in here so hopefully everybody could see. Maybe get it to focus. There we go. And I'm going to pick it towards the camera here just so we can see it to decode it. So apply some tension. And go through and look for binders. Okay, so 2 is binding. Alright, click on 2. And we'll go to 3. A 3 is binding. A little bit of a click on 3 here. Not convinced that I don't know if I set that, overset it or what here. So we'll go on to 4. Okay, 5 is binding. And remember 3, I might have to go back to 3. Okay, nice click on 5. Okay, 1 is still springy, 2 springy. Okay, yep. 3 is binding again here, so we did not set it. That time I think we did here, so let's keep going here. 4, 5. See, 1 definitely springy, 2 springy, 3. Alright, so I believe 4 is going to be the last one we're going to pick here. And I believe we're going to get it open. There we go. So, got it picked. Not the easiest pick here, but not terrible. And now we'll go ahead and decode it. Now, notice we never did pick 1, so 1's definitely going to be a number 6. Okay, so that's going to be 6, 4, 1, 2, 3. So 6, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's easy enough to remember. And go and zoom out. And here's our. Just grab the Lishi out of here, and grab the cylinder. And our HPC machine's right over here. So go ahead and just set that right there so we can test it. And we'll take a walk here to my conveniently set up other tripod. Yeah, planning ahead over here. Okay, get everybody locked in. And here's our HPC machine. Have a key in there. And what do we say? 6, 4, 1, 2, 3. I think is what it was here. We're gonna, I guess, find out together here. All right. So key blank is already chucked up on the shoulder stop. And I'll just show the card here. Fire it up. Yeah, I'm gonna go 6, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so key is cut, and we'll give it a little deburring action over here. And so there's our nicely cut key, and we'll go ahead and test it out in our cylinder. And voila, it works perfectly here. So there is a really old Ace deadbolt making a key with the KW1 Lishi. I tend to answer all the questions or comments, so if you have any, please leave one or drop me an email. And till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.